Are the keys to manifesting anything truly within our grasp, or are we merely scratching the surface of a greater cosmic code? Join us as we delve deeper into the enigmatic realm of manifestation, where desires meet destiny. Can we really unlock the secrets to manifesting anything we wish, or is there a mysterious force yet to be unveiled? Get ready to explore, question, and uncover the untold mysteries on a track universe. Are you prepared to venture into the unknown and manifest the impossible? Setting intentions is a fundamental practice across various facets of life, encompassing personal development, goal achievement, and spiritual or mindfulness pursuits. It involves purposefully defining your desires, objectives, or the direction you wish to progress. This deliberate process acts as a guiding force, directing your thoughts, decisions, and actions. At its core, setting intentions entails concentrating your mind on a particular goal or result. It requires becoming aware of your aspirations, values, and dreams, then articulating them clearly. This clarity aids in focusing your energy, attention, and endeavors on what holds utmost significance for you. Intentions serve as the groundwork for instigating change in life. By delineating your desires and setting clear intentions, you establish a path aligning your actions with your goals. This approach empowers you to be proactive rather than reactive, taking charge of your life and steering it toward your envisioned direction. Furthermore, setting intentions profoundly influences your mindset and attitude. When you establish positive intentions, you cultivate an optimistic perspective, nurturing a sense of purpose and drive. It enables you to remain attuned to possibilities and opportunities, even amid challenges, thus fostering resilience and determination. In practices like meditation or mindfulness, setting intentions plays a crucial role. Prior to commencing a session, individuals often set an intention, whether to nurture gratitude, seek inner peace, or foster self-compassion. This intention acts as a guiding principle during the practice, anchoring the mind and providing a reference point throughout the session. Within goal-setting frameworks, intentions form the foundation. They elucidate the why behind a goal, providing a deeper comprehension of your aspirations and motivational factors. This deeper understanding fuels resolve, bolsters commitment, and heightens the probability of accomplishing those objectives. Setting intentions is more than wishful thinking or vague desires. It involves a thoughtful, intentional process of introspection, self-awareness, and articulation. It necessitates expressing intentions in alignment with your values and beliefs, rendering them more tangible and actionable. Ultimately, setting intentions serves as a potent practice, empowering individuals to craft the life they envision. It acts as a guiding light, aiding in navigating life with clarity, purpose, and direction, ultimately fostering personal growth, contentment, and success. Deep breathing and focus represent foundational components in various relaxation, mindfulness, and well-being practices. The deliberate engagement in deep breaths and directing one's focus inward holds profound significance, exerting positive effects on both the mind and body. Deep breathing's core lies in its capacity to induce relaxation. When individuals practice slow, deep breaths, it triggers the body's relaxation response. This response involves activating the parasympathetic nervous system, counteracting the body's stress response and fostering a sense of calmness and tranquility. Engaging in deep breathing entails mindful inhalation and exhalation, enabling individuals to attune themselves to their breath. This mindfulness fosters heightened awareness, redirecting attention away from external distractions and homing focus on the present moment. It serves as an anchor, guiding individuals to the here and now, cultivating mindfulness that enhances mental clarity and concentration. Moreover, deep breathing acts as a natural stress reliever. When individuals experience stress or anxiety, their breathing often becomes shallow and rapid. By consciously practicing deep breaths, this counteracts shallow breathing, reducing stress hormones and promoting relaxation. This practice not only alleviates immediate stress, but also contributes to long-term stress management and resilience. Deep breathing exercises frequently constitute an integral part of various wellness practices, such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness. These exercises serve as the cornerstone for centering oneself, initiating relaxation, and nurturing a deeper mind-body connection. They provide a tool that individuals can employ not only during structured practices, but also in everyday situations to manage stress and maintain a sense of calmness. Furthermore, focusing inward during deep breathing exercises enables individuals to observe bodily sensations, emotions, and thoughts without judgment. This self-awareness facilitates emotional regulation, empowering individuals to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively to situations. The benefits of deep breathing and focus extend beyond the immediate moment of practice. Regular engagement in these practices has been linked to enhanced mental clarity, improved cognitive function, and heightened emotional well-being. Over time, they contribute to reduced anxiety levels, enhanced sleep quality, and an overall greater sense of mental and emotional equilibrium. In essence, deep breathing and focus form the bedrock of practices fostering relaxation, mindfulness, and stress reduction. They offer a pathway to inner tranquility, mental clarity, and emotional resilience, enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges with increased ease and presence. Embracing these practices as part of a comprehensive wellness routine can yield profound and enduring benefits for both the mind and body. Sensory awareness serves as a gateway to understanding and appreciating the world in its entirety. It involves actively tuning in to the rich tapestry of sensory information that surrounds us, allowing us to embrace the subtle nuances, rhythms, and intricacies that often elude casual observation. Within the realm of sensory awareness, sounds play a significant role. They weave a complex symphony of experiences, encompassing a diverse array of auditory stimuli. Engaging in the practice of attentive listening enables individuals to discern the myriad sounds present in their immediate environment. Whether it's the gentle rustling of leaves in a breeze, the distant hum of traffic, or the melodic chirping of birds, each sound contributes to the unique composition of the acoustic landscape. However, sensory awareness of sounds extends beyond mere recognition. It invites individuals to delve deeper into the emotional resonance of various auditory cues. Sounds possess distinct emotional frequencies capable of evoking nostalgia, tranquility, excitement, or triggering memories and associations. By actively attending to these sounds, individuals open themselves to a more profound, multi-layered experience of the world. Moreover, sensory awareness encompasses a holistic perception of our surroundings beyond just auditory stimuli. It involves keenly observing the visual landscape, appreciating the colors, shapes, textures, and movements that compose the visual tapestry of our environment. This heightened visual awareness encourages us to notice intricate details often overlooked, such as the interplay of light and shadow or the subtle shifts in nature's patterns. In this heightened state of sensory awareness, individuals also become attuned to the tactile and kinesthetic elements of their surroundings. They may notice variations in temperature against their skin, the sensations of different surfaces they touch, and the nuanced changes in their body movements as they interact with the environment. This heightened tactile awareness deepens their connection to the physical world, fostering a profound sense of presence and mindfulness. Furthermore, practicing sensory awareness involves acknowledging olfactory and gustatory sensations present in the environment. It's about recognizing the diverse array of scents that permeate the air, the fragrance of flowers, the aroma of freshly prepared food, or the earthy scent after rainfall. It's also about savoring taste experiences that emerge, the flavors of a meal, the sweetness of a fruit, or the nuances of a beverage. Embracing sensory awareness transcends mere perception. It's about cultivating a deeper sense of connection and mindfulness with the world around us. It encourages individuals to immerse themselves fully in the present moment, fostering a profound appreciation for the richness and diversity of experiences that the world offers. Practicing sensory awareness serves as a gateway to mindfulness, enhancing overall well-being and enriching the quality of life. It enables individuals to awaken their senses, fostering a heightened state of awareness that transcends the ordinary and opens doors to a more profound, immersive experience of the world. As the final moments draw near and the threads of our cosmic journey on a track universe begin to converge, there's a palpable sense of anticipation hanging in the ether. You've traversed the boundless realms of manifestation, unlocking the secrets to the universe's hidden mysteries, and embraced the power of your desires. But in this moment, as we stand on the precipice of revelation, the universe holds its breath, ready to grant your final wish. The atmosphere crackles with energy, each heartbeat echoing like the cosmic drumroll of a grand final. The stars, those eternal witnesses to our hopes and dreams, seem to twinkle with a knowing wink, signaling the culmination of our shared odyssey. In this suspended moment between breaths, between dreams and reality, between intention and manifestation, the universe stands poised to conspire once more in your favor. So, as we bid adieu to this chapter of our journey together, remember that the secrets of the universe lie not merely in seeking, but in the dance between seeking and finding, and in the whispers of the cosmos. Amid the stardust and constellations, may you find the unspoken promise that the universe shall forever conspire to align your path with your deepest desires. As the curtain falls on this chapter of a track universe, know that the cosmic stage remains yours, an infinite canvas upon which your wishes continue to weave their story. For the universe, in all its vastness, is but a humble servant to your beliefs, your intentions, and your unwavering connection to the cosmic tapestry of dreams. So, dear universe dreamer, as we bid our temporary farewell, may your wishes continue to dance among the stars, painting the heavens with the vibrant hues of your aspirations. Remember, the universe eagerly awaits your return, ready to conspire in you as you script the next exhilarating chapters of your cosmic journey.